I'll share my screen. We prepared for you a presentation about our recruitment department, and we will tell you what are we doing here in this company in Schemas. Here you can see recruitment department. On this screen you can see our photos, like who we are. This is our team, three of us: Oksana, me, and Nikita. And in this presentation, we will tell you how we work, what are we doing, what tools we use for our work, and what kind of additional tasks we have during our work process. I would like first to tell you about how we work and how we treat each other. Oksana has already mentioned that our main feature in the work process is using English. We use it on our daily basis. Yes, during 5 days of our work, we use English. We use it in our conversations, during meetings, and so on. And fun facts about our team. I would like that every one of us would tell something interesting about uh, himself, herself. And I would like to ask Nikita first. What can you tell us interesting about you?
Okay, first I am. So my name is Nikita, who don't know me, maybe, and I'm a student right now. I'm a student. I'm ending my studying, and before I worked in Schemas, I was at school. In my school years, I played basketball, and because of uh, that anyone didn't want to play with me basketball, I was playing with my dog. That's a bit fun fact of me, but because I liked a sport a lot, and I did some success in it, and according to my habit of playing with my dog, I also did some success in my basketball career. Oh, who else basketball player? Oleg.
Then,
I
oh,
was a few years ago during like 10, maybe 11 years. So
We played basketball with my brother as well, so I saw that I see that we can have a team.
Okay. Maybe we can play sometimes, 1-1. Okay, so who is next? Slava.
Oksana, what about you?
It's my turn. I don't like to speak about myself a lot. So some interesting fact about me. Um, okay, I live abroad for a long period of time. So 7 years. 7 years ago, I left Ukraine, and right now I live in Poland. I communicate in 4 languages. I can communicate in 4 languages. So English here in our department, it was my idea to, in such a way, to learn English, to practice English. So I'm very happy that our team decided to go with it. And right now we use English, and for us it's something like challenge, like game. So we enjoy using English on our daily basis. And I was the first recruiter in Schemas, so I started all processes in Schemas, and I hired Yaroslava and Nikita. So right now we have 3 of us, and we are responsible for everything what connected with recruitment in our team. So maybe not a lot of information about me, but about our team. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. Interesting facts about me. I learned Chinese and play guitar. Like, okay, that's interesting fact about me. What about I forgot to add how we work. I forgot to mention that there is a space for our ideas. I'm so thankful that we have it, because we can propose our own opinion and we can implement this idea into reality, but do not forget to take responsibility for that. And what we like about our work, most of all, talking with people. Switching next slide about work. We would like to tell you in the following slides what we use for our work, particular cases. It would be about a CV. Yes. And then we will talk about analytics and employer branding. So let's start, Nikita.
Okay, so maybe we will begin from the sources we use to hire candidates and what we use for our work. So you can see all our resources which we use in our work. First of all, it's LinkedIn. Mostly we use LinkedIn. I use LinkedIn. Slava uses LinkedIn because most of candidates we find there in active search firstly. Analyze CVs and applying CVs from candidates. We use for this process Traffic. That's a platform, such a database where we have all the data about our candidates, their CVs. We can make notes about them. We can put the right stage of the recruitment process on every candidate we have. Also, second, maybe platforms which we use for hiring candidates, it's GitHub, Djini. They're the platforms where candidates apply their CV via Traffic. We put the link in the description of CVs of vacancies, and their candidates can see the vacancy and can apply via it. Maybe some of you applied via Djini, I don't know, maybe we hired you before. And also we use Dow, that's also a very important source, and Stack Overflow. So the principle is the same.
Also, I would like to ask you if you see any post via LinkedIn when we promote our vacancies. So be so kind and like our post. So it's very helpful for us. So for the future, of course, right now we don't have so many vacancies, but in the future, if you see it, please help us, please support us. And at the same time, you support recruitment process, and maybe it helps us to close a position faster. And at the same time, we can help you with additional colleagues who can help you to work better, and maybe new ideas, everything. What can help you? Thank you.
Next.
So what about our recruitment process and the process of hiring candidates? We have some stages. First of all, it is CV analysis. When CV is applied on Traffic, we analyze it, and we can see firstly if candidates pass on our position or not. So if he pass or she, we can move him or he or her to the stage of HR screening, and there we analyze. The stage is conducted by some of recruiter of I or Yaroslava mostly, and there we can see whether a candidate pass by soft skills more, and if he pass basically for our vacancy. If he or she does, so we can move to the other stage, which is called technical interview or interview with client. Mostly it is technical interview where candidates are speaking with our PMs or project managers, which analyze them on their hard skills and technical skills. And if he pass all these stages, we can make him a job offer. Also, yes,
yeah.
also by constant communication with our team leaders.
Yeah, I was going to add that before the launching a project like vacancy, posting it, we cooperate mainly with hiring managers and with developers on the stage of technical interview. Yes. Mm. CV case.
So about cases which we have, they're very different in our recruitment process. Candidates are different, people are different, so every of them need to have from a special approach to get the needed information from them. So first of all, we look on their experience. So we ask them about their project, which they participated in, their role, their main responsibilities in that project, and also additional tasks which they solved during that project or in the time they were like participated in it. So technical skills which is used in the project, that the details which are related to a technical interview, and that's the second stage, which we where we test experience of our candidates, and also an additional question about their experience can be their knowledge of languages, their education maybe, but most of us, we are interested in their real experience, what they have to propose us as a company on the vacancy they apply on.
And also, we would like to add that our team helped to make a good-looking CVs for all of you. We worked on the what the CV contains, and also it was a design. We worked with NG. Okay, go ahead. Analytics. It was a new task for us. We'll be doing this for 2 months ago. It was hard, but we did it. And we analyzed how many candidates we employed. Also, we analyzed like how many time we need to close the vacancy to stop this process. What's the most efficient source for searching, and that was all done for improving our performance. So yeah, it's about analytics, like an additional task we are doing besides our main like recruitment process. And also about employer branding, it is our cooperation with marketing specialist Yuri. uh, Employer branding, it helps us to hire candidates faster and more efficiently. Marketing, we need marketing for recruitment needs because there is like an affect for a future employee when he or she sees something posted on our job websites, company websites. They see so many photos of us. They see what we post, what we write, and they think that they know us, and it helps us because if they know us, they think they know us. Maybe our values are matching with theirs, so it's easier for us to hire them because like they're already acquaintance with us, and we did a lot with marketing recently. We've been doing a marketing campaign how to attract candidates for future cooperation without posting vacancies. We wrote a text for posting. Also, before that, we posted some texts about soft skills. So yes, it's our like job for marketing, and that's all. Thank you.